Life of the One reveals how ultra-rich recalibrate time around rare experiences, private clubs, and meticulously curated routines. Behind the glossy facades lie habits that separate wealth from wealth illusion, from disciplined investing to ritualized morning workouts. The video uncovers money relationships shaped by long-term goals, charitable legacies, and a willingness to let engines of wealth evolve. We trace a breakthrough story where a founder turns a bold idea into a corridor of influence through smart partnerships. Viewers leave with practical takeaways about focus, patience, and balancing generosity with ambitious reinvestment in their own lives.